A lot of you has expressed that you find it very difficult to use the datagrid packages in order to create your online system to allow your user to do data manipulation through your database. So today I'm going to show you on how to use the grid generator, which is created by myself, and also to utilize the popular package called JQWidgets based on jQuery in order to create your data grid screen for your database. So what you need is create a database file with 4 columns and then just enter it into my data grid, and then the PHP code will be generated for you, assuming you have a XAMPP server or Apache server. After you have generated the grid file, you can, there's in total of 3, you can just put it in your Apache document directory, and then it will be hosted for you. Okay, let me explain the type. For example, in your database, if you use varchar, the type is string. And then the first column, assuming you use ID, there will be an ID column. And the most important column is the data field, which is you have to match the text exactly to your database field column, the name. Otherwise, the grid won't be generated. And then column type, you can choose whether drop down list, combo box, or number input, or just text box, which is fine. And then the most important field is called print. As you notice, the grid is quite long. So if you want to freeze a column, for example, what I did here is the ID and the name. When you freeze the column, and then you can move, scroll around in your data grid with the user still able to see your freeze panel, the column that freeze to the screen. That is similar to Excel freeze panel. And then after you fill in your data, make sure you enter the width of the is in pixel for your column of your data grid. And then for now, you can ignore the cells format and cell class name. That's for when you are more advanced in your jQuery and you have your own function. And also the cells format and cells align is most likely for your date, that allow you say the date is right align or left align. And also the date format you can select here. You can refer in their website on the proper date format, or you can define your own as well. So after you fill in my grid generator, you can generate the PHP code just like that. And then the whole file will be generated for you according to the 4 columns that you have filled in, for example, 1, 2, 3. And then the reason I do the grid generator is because there's a few places in the code, for example here, that you need to make sure your spelling is correct. Also, it's case sensitive in order for you to properly generate your grid. And in total, there's 3 PHP files. This is the first one. And if you go back to the original, the grid generator, and then the second one is the data file, and the third one is the file that you connect to your DB. For example, you need to enter your host name or domain name, and also your DB name, and also your username and your DB password as well. And it need to allow remote connection. And after you generated all these 3 files, and I also provide you a sample database that you can just follow just to do your testing, and your grid should be generated like that. And it's editable, and is also has done paging, and also you can add new row as well. and you can also export to CSV your data grid. And if you like my tutorial, you can sign up. I have a e-portfolio system for my customer, and you can sign up and register your own account. And then later on, I will send you more updated tutorial regarding data grid, e-portfolio system, and other tools that I have developed that I think that may help you on your project development. Um, uh, my own career, I'm a full-time software developer, so I can pass on some of my developer tool that I have find it useful through my development career. Thank you very much.